How to cancel Shopify Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen, and there click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on plans. And here you will be able to close your store by clicking on the red button that says deactivate. Shopify might ask you for a reason as to why you want to delete the store, and after that you will need a password confirmation in order to delete your store. And once you do that, your store will be removed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and close your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.